car. Bitches change and act like I ain't noticed. Get that money, nigga, that my main focus.
First, you're going to divide into the radical to see if something comes out even. Okay? If it comes out even, then we can take the square root of it. All right? Question with that. Now, with adding...
I'll drop this.
Markesia.
No, because you're combining terms. These can go together. 7 and 7.
Don't never do word.
To go back in time, like pay attention for real. Like you need to pay attention to this. You're gonna need it. You're gonna need it. You're gonna need it in the future. You're gonna need it.
Wait. Hi, friend.
I look stupid.
Gabriel, you're ugly.
When you get hot, bro, that's not fun. That's not fun. Hey, Lasheall vlog. I look so stupid right now. Of all days to choose, she chose today to record. Like, what kind of sense does that make? Aaron, your camera real good as hell. Anyways, back to Aaron Lasheall. Get out of Kayla. Right now, I'm at lunch. I know you're like, why are you not in the cafeteria? We don't have the cafeteria. We have lunch in classrooms. Like, we don't move at all. And we literally have cafeterias in our classrooms. And we just be in here stuck. And it's cold. It's hell. Like, everybody got hoods on and 2 jackets and stuff. I'm cold. I want to go home. It's flooding. And I don't have time for this. Like, I hate lunch, bro. Like, I don't have lunch with nobody. Unless somebody skip TTM to go to my lunch. Other than that, I never have lunch with anybody. And it really sucks. But it's cool. Because almost every day we just be skipping just to go to each other's lunch. So, but today it's gonna rain and flood, so teachers really worried about attendance. I'm in one of my senior classes, and I got all these seniors in here, and I don't talk to them. And it's flooded outside with flooding, so I'm just sitting here. He's not even teaching. I just want to go home. That's it. We're stuck in their period. We don't get to go to period.
I think it depends on the power.
I just want to go home. That's it. That's all. At the moment, we're shelter in place. If you don't know what that means. We have to stay here until 4 o'clock. It doesn't matter if you have off campus. It doesn't matter if you have a car. Like, we're just stuck in this room. I'm really finna comment on it. Like, I gotta go. I can't. Shelter in place. I mean, it's flooding everywhere. See, now HIS people just cancel school. We would have these issues now, wouldn't we? No, we wouldn't. Yeah. I'm just calm my mind. Cause this ghetto. No man. Cause at first it was the bus riders leave early because the buses are gonna hurry up and come get them due to the fact that they didn't cancel school in the first place, even though they knew it was gonna rain today and or flood. And then it was all the off-campus can leave when it's time for them to go. Now, we're shelter in place. This is ghetto. I can't.
Let me see. With Coach Holland. There's 2 more.
Time to go. No, ma'am. I can't. Shelter? No, I can't. I gotta go.
got half a meal.
I just got home maybe 30-45 minutes ago, and my house is flooded. So now I have to call in to work because I can't get there. If I would have stayed at school, I definitely wouldn't have had a way to get there because I don't like walking from my school to my job because I just be lazy. So I was gonna get on the metro, but metro is cut off today due to the flooding. And I'm at home and I'm flooded in. So I'm just gonna stay home all day. I'm gonna try to clean my room because I want to so bad, but I'm just lazy and I don't have time for that. So I'm gonna try my best to clean my room and do my homework and just chill. And I didn't get to start the video because I actually started the video 2 days ago in the car, you know, with my intro and all of that good nature. But I just wasn't in the mood like the whole day of that school day. So, and I was out of uniform, so I was running from administrators like the whole day. So I didn't really want to like bring attention to myself. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the vlog, even though the vlog is me stuck at school on a horrible day, even though we got stuck in third period and I didn't go to my fourth period, which is office, and that definitely would have brought laughter to the vlog, but Houston said no. Next video, I'm definitely going to try to explain where I have been since I have not been posting on YouTube, and all my friends say post your videos be funny. I'm gonna try, and my next video is most likely going to be explaining where I have been, what I've been doing, in like a life update, but then again not another one because I don't want to repeat the videos. But hope you enjoyed the vlog. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next video.